On question 13, we have the vertex of an isosceles triangle measures 15 degrees. So let's draw that out. And the base is 4. I want to know the length of the leg. So what we'll do is we'll make a right triangle, because you can't use your trig ratios without a right triangle. And that cuts it in half because it's isosceles, so I know this is 2. And I'm cutting my angle in half, so I get 7.5 degrees. Opposite hypotenuse, so I'm going to use sine. I'm going to say the sine of 7.5 degrees is 2 over h, or h is 2 divided by the sine of 7.5. So if we take 2 divided by the sine of 7.5, we get about 15.3 rounded to the nearest tenth. So that would be the length of that side. On question 14, it says Madison runs 1 mile along a straight road towards a mountain. So let's draw that out. So there's my mountain over here. I got my straight road here. At the beginning of the run, her angle of elevation from her location on the road to the mountain peak is 40 degrees. So there's 40 degrees. At the end of her run, the angle of elevation from this location on the road to the mountain peak is 50 degrees. So we know that's 50 degrees right there. Assume a Madison begins and ends his run on the same side of the mountain. I didn't put my 1 mile in here, so we know this whole length is 1 mile. And at the end of a run, the angle, assume it. Okay, I didn't tell you what to solve for. I want to know how far Madison is from the mountain. So let's do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here with my angle of elevation of 40 degrees, opposite adjacent. So we're going to say the tangent of 40 degrees equals h over 1. Or h is the tangent of 40 degrees, and that will be in miles. So we're going to say tan 40, and that's about 0.839. What I'll do is I'll use that answer to find how far Madison is from the mountain at the end of her run. So we're going to say the tangent of 50 equals 0.839 over x. Call this length x. Now, if we take x, what will be then 0.839 divided by the tangent of 50. And we get like 0.704 miles. Now, if we want to find out how far she ran, I'd just take 1 minus 0.704. And that'll be the distance that Madison ran. Would be about okay, I didn't tell you what to round to, so I'll say about 0.3 miles. You could round that to whatever you want. It would have been right.